Intro, Bike Empire. Bike Empire welcomes viewers to a quick and focused look at the Honda Vario, a scooter known for style, practicality, and urban-friendly performance. Design and styling. The Honda Vario stands out with its sharp, sporty design and aggressive LED headlamps. Its aerodynamic body panels give it a modern look, making it an appealing choice for riders who want both style and function in city traffic. Engine and performance. Powered by a refined and fuel-efficient engine, the Vario delivers smooth acceleration and responsive handling. Its lightweight build makes it ideal for daily commutes, while Honda's advanced technology ensures reliable and consistent performance in all conditions. Comfort and features. The scooter offers a comfortable riding position, spacious footboard, and practical under-seat storage. Features like a digital instrument cluster, advanced braking system, and smart key technology add to the overall convenience and safety. Fuel efficiency. Honda's efficient engineering ensures excellent mileage, making the Vario a cost-effective choice for daily riders. Its economical fuel consumption is one of the biggest reasons for its popularity. Conclusion. The Honda Vario is a complete urban scooter that balances performance, comfort, and efficiency. A smart pick for riders looking for style and reliability in their everyday ride. If you want more bike reviews, stay connected with Bike Empire.